If you like AI, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can breathe life into your AI phone assistant so it can do things like this.
Let's find out what's happening in Wellington, New Zealand. Here are some events happening in Wellington, New Zealand. 1. Wairarapa Wines Harvest Festival starts at 11 a.m. 2.
And like this.
Let me find the best coffee shops in Eden Terrace, Auckland for you. The best coffee shop in Eden Terrace, Auckland is Eden Espresso Bar, located at 98 Mount Eden Road. Enjoy your coffee.
So come with me in this video as we build this entire system. And the best part is, number one, it's totally free to start. And number two, once you're done, you'll be able to take this and sell it to businesses for a good profit. My name is Altus, I love AI, and my community and I build AI voice phone systems like this and sell them to businesses to make a sustainable income. Make sure you watch to the very end of the video so you can get through it and learn how to build this and take this model and go sell it right now and make money. Okay, so first things first, we're just going to go out and Google Retell AI. And you're going to come in here and it's totally free to register. You just need to connect your Twilio account. There's a full separate video about it. It's a little bit harder connecting Twilio, but it's easily done. And you can start totally for free. So once you come in, register, connect with your Google account, and you're going to get presented with a similar screen like this. And as you can see, you actually get a total of an hour about free to use and play around with. Once you come in here, don't worry about any of these. We don't have to connect and configure anything for now. What you do need to do is obviously connect your Twilio account. There's a full how-to video out on that if you want to make actual direct phone calls in here. But the beautiful thing about Retell is that we can try and test the voice AI function without having a number connected to it. So we're just going to come in here and we're going to create an agent. This is going to be a single prompt agent. And we're just going to say start from blank. So in here you got your basic setups, and it's very similar to anything like you've seen before, like for example vappy.com. It's got your kind of your pricing in here, how much it will cost it, and your latency depending on your settings. So, and in the top there's all the different voices and GPT models that you can use. For example, if you drop down here, you can see the GPT models and all the costs related to it. I still like GPT-4o. GPT-4o Mini obviously is a lot cheaper to use, but it's going to keep GPT-4o for now since we're still on the free plan anyway. So voices, if you drop down and click in here, you can see the different voices that you can use in here. You got all your 11 lab connections, or most of your 11 lab connections, Play HD and Open AI connections. And once you select these, you'll see the price and the latency change on top. So you can come in, when you like one, you can just say, you can hit the play button.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retell AI, here to help you handle all the calls.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retell AI, here to help you handle all the calls.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retell AI, here to help you handle all the calls.
Alright, so go around, click on Chloe, and going to say use the voice. Now we're going to set this up specifically for a coffee shop. So our prompt is just going to be basic, okay? So, or an assistant to check and see what the best coffee is in a specific area. So just to demonstrate how it is, building prompts is a bit more advanced, and there's a couple of videos that I made previously in how you can use DeepSeek, that's really cool and new, to make a really good prompt at the moment. But all I want for this example is I just want to say give a greeting, and then I want it to ask me what coffee shops do you want, or what city do you want information on coffee shops. So just leave that blank for now. We're just going to come down here. You're going to hit the drop down message, and the initial, when the AI begins, what message should it give you? And we're just going to say, hello, this is Sally I am here to help you find the best coffee shop in a specific location. Best coffee shop in a location. Alright, so we're just gonna give it a bit of functionality here where it says you are information providing expert that gives information, that gives details of the best coffee shops in a specific area. Lots of spelling mistakes in here. You are an information providing expert. That's alright for now. After greeting them, tell them, after greeting the caller, tell them that you can help them find the best coffee shop close to them. Then ask them for the specific area where they are in. Right, let's hit the save location. Let's just hit save. Let's just give it a quick test, okay? So, kind of a basic prompt. It's not a prompt writing exercise in this. I just wanted to ask for the location, right? So,
Hello, this is Sally. I am here to help you find the best coffee shop in a location.
yeah, need to change it. Yeah, okay. Can you help me?
Hello. Of course, I can help you find the best coffee shop nearby. Could you please tell me the specific area you're in?
Auckland, New Zealand.
Great. Auckland has some amazing coffee spots. Here are a few of the best coffee shops in Auckland, New Zealand. 1. The Coffee Club, multiple locations.
Alright. It's just gone around and just search for the ChatGPT for it. So that's alright, we don't need that part yet. So, right. Hello, this is Sally. I'm here to help you find the best coffee close to you. Hit the save button there. So that kind of works, okay? So this is just going to go in like normal ChatGPT, ask for other information. However, what we need to do, we want to have a real-time search for it. So we're going to come in here. You're going to look up N8N. You're going to look up N8N and you're going to register as well for your free account. So I'm just going to shut this one, created a free account, and we're going to say create a new workflow. Come through here. I need to open this in here. So I'm going to do the first step that we need to do is we're going to receive some data from Retell. So Retell AI, and it's going to be in the form of a webhook. So I'm going to say webhook. We're going to change this because we're going to get data posted to us, and once it's done, we immediately want to reply with a webhook response. Alright, so hit that. We don't have to listen now, but we're just going to copy the test URL in here, and I'll show you. So keep it copied, come in here, and when we want to respond, we are going to respond with a webhook response. And we're just going to add an option in here just for now. Put a response field in and say there are no good coffee shops in Auckland. Alright, you'll see when it comes in. So we're going to come in and send some webhook data to this. We're going to build out the AI assistant eventually in between. It's going to say in search Google and try find the best coffee shops in your location. So all we need now is just this little part in here. Hit the copy button, and then we're going to come back in here and then we're going to create a new tool. So a function is things it can do while it talks and go busy and in through here and extract certain data from it. So a function is what we're going to use to capture the location name and then send it to our webhook. So obviously there's call transfers, call forwards. We can do check availabilities in the calendar and forward it on. We don't need that right now. All we want to do is simply transfer this data over to our webhook. So we're going to go to custom function, and this is going to be location capture. This tool function is used to capture the location that the caller provides. Okay, so we're going to then go ahead. So what's this tool used for? It captures the data, the location that the caller provides. So the URL we're going to put in is in this. That's a URL we put in here. Okay, that one we copied. And then, so the JSON schema, you don't need to worry too much about it, trying to understand it. We're just going in here called example 1. And so this is example of how it gets the actual booked time. And we're just going to change it a little bit to location. Okay, so don't change it. It's going to be an object, and the object is going to be called this, and instead of being called that, we're going to call this caller location. And what is the example? What is caller location? Just going to say in here, the location the caller gives when asked. So in here, I just need to make sure this matches this in here. I say caller location, and then I'm just going to check it, format it for JSON, speaks what it connects, and then hit the save button. Great, no error. So location capture is in there. Now we just need to tell this AI in here to don't go look up on your own data, send that location details off to our webhook. So after greeting the caller, tell them that you can help them find the best coffee shop for their location, then ask them for what location they are in. Once you get a location from the user, use the location capture function tool, then wait for a response. Alright, come in here, take that one out, spell that right, location, come on, location capture tool, hit the save button. So hopefully now it doesn't do its own checks, and we'll be able to get some data from here. So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to go test this. This should give something, and we should get something back from it. So hopefully this works as we go.
Hello, this is Sally. I am here to help you find the best coffee close to you.
Okay.
Great. Can you tell me the specific area or location you're in right now?
I'm in Auckland.
Got it. Well, let me find the best coffee shops in Armen, Auckland for you. It seems there might be an issue finding coffee shops in Armen, Auckland. Could you confirm the location or provide more details?
Auckland.
Thanks for confirming. Let me find the best coffee shops in Auckland for you. It seems there's an issue retrieving the coffee shop.
Alright, that's alright. it got the webhook, sent the webhook through, so that's fine. That's all I needed. From now, I forgot to hit the start again. So now let's go build this out and make it a little bit fancier. So come in here, I'm going to open this back up. So we need to add a GPT model in here. We can get the data. That's all good. We got some data for it. Stop listening. We got some data from it. We just now need to send something in the middle. So it's going to go in and we're going to delete this connection, move this over to the side, and we're going to come and look up AI agent. Going to connect our AI agent in here, and it's going to click here in the back. So I want to move it over this way, and I want to delete this connection, and our output is going to be a webhook, and our input is going to be a webhook. So cool. The chat module is in here. We just need to give our AI agent a bit of brains. So we're going to come in here. We're going to say open AI, and when you start this out, you won't have OpenAI connected to it. You need to go to platform.openai. You need to add a bit of credit to it, only $5 or $6, and then go ahead and get your API key. Once you have your API key, you're going to come connect, add your API key in it, and it's going to be connected. As easy as that, really. So the model we're going to use is ChatGPT. I'm just going to leave that for now. Click back, come in here. It's going to have an error, then it disappears because it connects. So the next thing we need to do, so just doing this just means this AI is as smart as this AI. It's both GPT-4s. This can send some data, but it doesn't have any extra functionality to it. And this is what makes N8N so beautiful. So I'm going to come in here and we're going to give it a tool. So first you need to come in here, we're going to Google, we're going to search the Google search API. You're going to come to a application called SERP. You're going to click on this, you're going to register, and once you register, they'll give you an API key. So all this means is you can now search the internet for anything and give you any results you want through, in fact there's coffee in here, it's quite funny, through this search function in here. So no ChatGPT models, or not most of them, don't have web capability. This means that our AI agent in here is now going to have the function of searching the internet. So I'm going to come here, say SERP, I'm going to click on it, and if you don't have a SERP account in here, you're just going to come create, get the API they give you from here, and we're going to close that one, and that's going to be it. Alright, you come in here, move it this way, and it should disappear for a minute. Nice, so now you have kind of given your AI agent power. We've given it some brains, and we've given it a tool to use so it can access the internet. So what it does is going to receive a city name, and then we're going to be able to search it through here and do stuff with it, and then send it back. So to help set it up, we just need to say what it needs to do. So we're going to come in here, double click here, it's going to hit that button there, and hopefully it gets some details from a previous model, else we might just have to run it again. Alright, doesn't have anything, that's alright. We're just going to go stop, test workflow, waiting for trigger. So just going to hit that off to the side, come on, minimize off to the side, and we're going to test now, and it should have some errors. We just need some data to come in here.
Hello, this is Sally. I am here to help you find the best coffee close to you.
Okay, yes, I want to check out any good coffee spots in Auckland City Centre.
Let me find the best coffee spots in Auckland City Center for you.
Thank you, that was it. And you can see in here, we received some data. Sweet, that's alright. That's just all we need for now. So now we can map what we've set in the other side and come in here. So now we're going to set up our agent. So the tool's going to be our agent, and what's our input going to be? So we're going to come here, and so the input, I need to change this. It's going to be a custom input. So in here, and we're going to add some function to it. So the data we received is we're looking for that city name or the location. We're just going to scroll down, and here we go. So the tool location capture, remember we put it in here, location capture has captured the location that we gave, Auckland City Centre, and it's provided it to us. So awesome. So what is going to be the function of our AI? We're just going to need to define it in here. So we're going to come here, we're going to say your system message is you are a helpful. I had that in the start. That's right. You are a helpful AI assistant. You get given a location to search for the best coffee shops. Use that location and search the internet for the best rated coffee shop according to Google Maps closest to that location given. And now I just need to define the output. Your output should only be one result. The result should only be the name of the coffee shop and the location. For example, always good to give example. For example, output, the best coffee shop in Wellington is the coffee club located at 123 Main Street, Wellington. Okay? Now, so what are we going to tell the AI to do? Search for the best coffee shop in location name in here. Alright, we're gonna, just because we have this, and this is again what makes N8N actually so good. We have some data, let's just give it a test in here and see what it gives us in the output. So you can't see what happens in the background, but we'll get to that soon. So our ChatGPT model is input, output, the best coffee shop in Auckland Centre is Remedy Coffee, located in 1 Wellesley Street. Nice. So this works. This sees that your theory works. The output is actually going to be this. Alright, so we're going to come in here and hold on a second, let's come open this. And we need to make sure we copy this. That's the output. I just want to come through and find the actual log for the rest of it. Search for the best coffee shop in Auckland City Centre. Just see this. Auckland. Now it gives actually different results. So, but that's alright. It gave a couple of ones in here, so that's alright. we're going to come in here, and we're going to come back and come in here, and we're just going to go test this out now. So oops, I'm going to hit this off to the side. We're going to hit this off to this side, and we're going to say test workflow, and we're going to make it real specific in here.
Hello, this is Sally. I am here to help you find the best coffee close to you.
Hello, yes, what is the best coffee shop in Wellington CBD?
Got it. Let me find the best coffee shop in Wellington Stad for you. One moment, please.
No, I did not like that at all. Maybe because the webhook responds, the best coffee shop in Wellington is Pour and Twist. No, I gave it in there. Why did this not work? Just go test this again, hit test again.
Hello, this is Sally. I am here to help you find the best coffee close to you.
Okay, what's the best coffee shop in Wellington City?
Let me find the best coffee shops in Wellington City for you. The best coffee shop in Wellington City is Pour and Twist, located at 13 Garrett St. Let me know if you'd like more recommendations.
Alright, that one really worked. So that kind of makes sense, right? So we're sending this in here, and it goes in and it gets real specific on it. So I just want to see. The thing is that it searches with Google addresses, and I'm just going to come back to the log for a second. So it actually gives a bunch. I just don't know how it actually sorts it through. Brandon Street. Alright. Let's get really specific. Smallest Auckland suburb. Eden Terrace. Okay. Let's hit in here. Hit in here. Go test this workflow. Go test this again.
Hello, this is Sally. I am here to help you find the best coffee close to you.
Okay, yes, I want you to look for coffee in Eden Terrace in Auckland.
Let me find the best coffee shops in Eden Terrace, Auckland for you. The best coffee shop in Eden Terrace, Auckland is Eden Espresso Bar, located at 98 Mount Eden Road. Enjoy your coffee.
Cool. So, this is pretty much it. Eden Terrace. What is the best coffee shop in Eden? What it does, it should search through these and see that who's got the best cafes in it. It's interesting that it comes up with that. Best coffee shop in Auckland City is Eden Espresso Bar. So it's not even in here. It's got the most reviews. I did search it by reviews. It actually did the right job. Most reviews, most reviews. Here you go. It's got the most reviews. So yeah, that's it. It pretty much works perfectly. Okay, so hope that kind of makes sense, because you can connect this and you can get it to ask anything now. So let's just see. We're going to come in here and we're going to change this up a little bit, just to give it a test. What's the world without testing? So come in here. You search for the best coffee shop in Auckland City. We're going to hit this one. We're going to save this workflow. So I'm going to go and totally mess it up. Right, let's mess it up. Come in here. You are helpful. Assistant. You get given a location. Your task is to search. You get given a location and a time. Your task is to search that location and time and tell me what events are happening that day. Your output should only be event name, date and time. Only list 3 events. For example, the output is sailing at 10:40 p.m. Auckland market at 9 a.m. Alright. Search for today's. So I need to come in here and find today's variable. So I'm going to come to ChatGPT. I am going to come to, just go in, no, wrong ChatGPT, come in this one, ChatGPT. I'm going to look up N8N Assistant and find, in fact I have it in here, the current time in New Zealand. So the current time format should be like this. So copy in this. So this is, I'll just ask it to give the time format. What variable is the time format for today? So I'm going to come back in here. So this is just going to say today, okay? So you get what I'm saying? So today, search for today. Events in location. Alright, just go set test workflow, see what it says. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so get what I'm saying. So let's build this out. If this doesn't make sense, just give me a second. So I'm going to go through here, hit the left button. Hi, this is Sally. I am your local event finder. What location do you want to find the events for? Hey, get information provided and give details for the local events in that location. Find the event. Then ask them for a specific location. Once you capture the location, use the location tool, wait for a response, hit the save button, hit this, have this, go test, in here, run this to the side, test. What's happening? Hello? What did I mess up?
Hi, this is Sally. I am your local event finder. What location do you want to find the events for?
Wellington, New Zealand.
Let's find out what's happening in Wellington, New Zealand. Here are some events happening in Wellington, New Zealand. 1. Wairaupa Wines Harvest Festival starts at 11 a.m. 2. Pitone Gyratorius Fair begins at 9:30 a.m. 3. Level 3 Reiki Master Teacher Training from February 14th to February 16th. Enjoy your time in Wellington. If you need more information, feel free to ask.
Okay, yeah, can I give another location?
Of course. Just let me know the location and I'll help you find events there.
There's a small suburb in Orewa, New Zealand.
Great. Please provide the name of the suburb and I'll find the events happening there for you.
It's Orewa, spelled Orewa.
Let's see what's happening in Ohiro, Wellington, New Zealand.
Yeah, that was terrible.
I apologize for the confusion. Let me try again to find the events in Ohiro, Wellington, New Zealand. It seems there was an issue
Hold on.
retrieving the event.
You got the suburb wrong. I'll spell the suburb out for you. Orewa.
Got it. Let's find out what's happening in Orewa, New Zealand. Here are some events happening in Orewa, New Zealand. 1. Hibiscus Art Studio Trail, all-day event on February 15th, 2025. 2. Hungarian Festival and Market from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on February 15th, 2025. 3. Ladies Mediterranean Long Lunch with the ABBA Gals from 12:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. on February 15th, 2025. Enjoy your time in Orewa. If you need more information, feel free to ask.
Cool, thank you for that. Nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this makes sense. Connecting N8N and any voice assistant. Absolute ridiculous power. Hope you like it, enjoy, and yeah, let's talk into the next one.